Hey guys, this is my first video. Welcome. I hope I go ahead and do, we're going to do eyeshadow, a little bit of contour, an everyday look. So let's get started. Let's start with contouring. So I'm going to be using the E.L.F Cream Contour Palette. That's how it looks. So we'll go ahead and do an angle brush, and I'll name all the brushes I use below. But really, any angle brush does not have to be a super expensive brush. They all do the job when it comes to an angle brush. All right, so you want to go, you know, it might look funny, but if you want to make the fish face, in a second, you'll know that that is the cheekbone. So you want to start there and go up a little bit. All right, and we'll go ahead and do the other side. Your jawline. Put it up here. All right, now, since I did the lighter one, all right, remember at first it may look a little crazy, but it'll look better. Let's go ahead and make sure everything looks nice and blended. So comment below, let me know what you guys find the hardest when it comes to contouring. I think that just because I don't do it all the time, I like doing it, I just don't do it all the time because of my work schedule, my school schedule. I just tend to keep it a lot more simple, but this actually works really well for the price. I like it a lot. It's like I like it a lot. But seriously, this looks really nice the first time I actually put it on. This looks really good. Again, I'm not trying to do way darker. I'm just trying to contour very lightly, very little. Like if I was gonna go to work, go to school, I try to keep it on the lighter side. Now, first I'm gonna prime my lid. The primer that I use right now is the Pure. All right, so next what I wanna do, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the eyeshadows. It comes 3 in a pack, plus eyeliner, and it's very inexpensive. E.L.F products are very inexpensive. They're really good. The biggest thing when it comes to, I would say, eyeshadow, even contouring, obviously I think that this does the job, but the biggest thing that I would say is priming it's on your lids will help keep any eyeshadow stay on longer, and it'll look nicer overall. All right, so let's go ahead. Since we're gonna do an everyday type of look, I'll use these two right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush. Got this one from Amazon, and it still looks really good. It catches the powder very well. It's pretty dense. That's what you want for when you're putting on the first layer of shadow. Definitely keep a brush that's a little more denser. Denser catches more product. Looser, less product. So it depends what you're trying to do. In this situation, we're gonna go ahead and go all over the lid. All right, let's get started. That's all I did. I put just a very small amount all over my lid. Now I'll go ahead and go in with the color that I want to put my bottom part right here. I'm gonna use the Mocha. Now when you do it darker colors, especially if you already did your foundation, tap off the accent so it doesn't get underneath your eye. Best thing to do, so you don't have to start all over or then end up having to take the smudge off. Anyways, let's begin. Very lightly, I'm just gonna go over your eye. Now I do want to work my way up a little bit. So what you want to do, very gently. All right, so I put a little bit more because I do want it a little darker over the lid without having a harsh line. Making sure you blend it out as much as you can. When you first start off, I think this is the hardest part, is making sure that you don't have those harsh lines. Now I'm going to use a smudger. It's another Sephora brush. I like Sephora brushes. inexpensive. A lot of times you can get them on sale, online, or in store. Wipe off the excess and then just go ahead and, you know, look up. Just go ahead and very soft, very lightly, don't go like that, and then even meet it up with the other side. By the other side, I mean, you know, bring it out a little bit, like that. It all looks connected. For this eye look in particular, you do want it to look as natural as possible. And then you're gonna go ahead and just get the same brush that you've been using, Sephora blending large 27 brush. Now this one comes with its own lash glue, but I'll go ahead and use the one that I already have from the Real Invisible Lash Glue from Benefit. I'm gonna use the E.L.F Cream Checky glue. There you have it. That's how it looks. My windshield wipers. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching till the end. Yes, that is my brush. How to brush my hair. Anyways, thank you so much for staying till the end. Comment below, let me know what you want to see next time. Let me know if this was helpful to you, if you want a step-by-step, but it's really easy. It's just, makeup is, you make it your own, make it fun, and that's really what I want this channel to be about. Just something that you learn. Let me know what you're interested in seeing. Let me know if you like this look. Let me know what you think. Alright, thank you guys.